Okay, so I got this John Deere 526 right here. It has a, the bushing for the auger is completely shot. I can't get in there right now to see, but make sure to take off the chute adjuster first, because the first time I took this apart in half, I completely broke the end off of this. So it screws in right there. It's not that hard to take apart, but I just didn't do it. So what you need to do first is loosen up these bolts. And the nice thing about these John Deeres is that they just come apart in two halves and just two bolts. Alright, so next what you're going to want to do is take off that cover that's on there. So you're going to, actually this is a 9/16, and you just loosen these two bolts on either side. So this would probably be better with an extension, because the carburetor kind of gets in your way. Alright, so once you have these bolts removed, it should just come apart just like this. And you can just rest this on the ground, and you have really good access to the pulleys. You can replace the belts really easily by doing this. It's right in there. I don't think it won't focus right now, but it's that thing in there. Also, there's a set screw somewhere in there. So before you try doing anything with this, just loosen it up. I got it loose. I kind of got it out a little bit more. So what I've been doing to get it out is a lot of JB80. And so what I do is I hammer it in all the way, and then I yank up on it really hard if you don't have the proper tool to do this. Got her out. And it's just these couple of bolts, and that should be it. Yeah, now you can really see how much play it had. That's not good. These three bolts out. Just use the 13mm. Oh wait, the key's right there. Maybe it won't pop out so easily. Yeah, the key's in the way. Alright, so I got this Lamberta key out, apparently is what it's called. So you just hammer on it on one side. Obviously I already got it out, but you grab a chisel and you hammer on one side and just keep hammering on it. Probably use some JB80, of course. It should walk itself out on the other side, and you can just pull on it, or it'll just hammer it out. And that's how you get those out, I guess. And then we can get this thing out, if I can grab it with one hand. There we go. Boom. Okay, so I just found the part. I already ordered it, but I just ordered the bushing, so I had to hammer it out of the bushing case. I just used the socket and a hammer, and I just took it in a vise, and you just hammer it out. That's how you replace the bushing on these.